In this video, we're making this creamy and delicious coffee ice cream. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. First, in a big bowl, take your egg yolks and add in the sugar. And you're going to whisk these egg yolks and sugar for about 5 minutes till they're nice and thick and pale in color, just like that. And then you're going to set this aside. Now, in a heavy bottom saucepan, take the cream and the milk, and you're going to turn the flame on low and just gently heat the mixture. Once this mixture is warm, you're going to add in the instant coffee powder and mix that in and just gently keep heating this. And once you see small bubbles forming on the surface of this mixture, you're going to turn off the flame. And now you're going to temper the egg yolks, and for this you're going to slowly add in your milk mixture in the egg yolks and just keep whisking while you're doing so. Just add about 2 to 3 ladlefuls or cups until the egg yolks come to temperature. And then you're going to mix this mixture back into the milk and cream while stirring continuously. And now you're going to set this on low flame and keep stirring continuously for about 8 minutes or until your custard thickens. Right now the custard is pretty watery, as you can see it's not coating the spoon, but once the custard is thick, it's going to coat the back of your spoon, and you can also draw a line onto the spoon and you can see that it stays separated. At this point, switch off the flame and mix in the salt. And then I like to transfer this to a jug with a spout, but you can also use a bowl and just strain the mixture in there. And you're going to want to let this cool completely. I like to use an ice bath for this, but you can also just leave it to cool if you have the time. And once it is at room temperature, you're going to add a cling film and let it touch the surface. This is to avoid any cream layer on top, and then store it in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. And the next day, I took it out to churn it in my ice cream maker. You can take off the cling film and just give it a stir. And then turn on your ice cream maker and pour in your custard. And if you do not have an ice cream maker, I have a mango ice cream video where I show how to freeze your ice cream without it, so you can check that out. And my KitchenAid ice cream insert took about 15 minutes or so to freeze the ice cream. It depends on your ice cream maker, so follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now once that is done, you're going to transfer this into an airtight container for it to freeze completely in the freezer. You can serve it soft if you like soft serve, but we prefer it a bit firmer. And freeze this for about 6 to 8 hours or overnight. And then you can scoop and serve it in a bowl and enjoy. As you can see, the consistency of this ice cream is super creamy and scoopable thanks to the egg yolks and the cream. And this tastes almost like coffee bite. It was absolutely dreamy. It's not overly sweet and the egg yolks really balance the sweetness. Do subscribe for more recipes and I'll see you soon with a new one. Bye!